How to delete email account in Outlook Mobile. Open your Outlook account in your mobile device. Head into the profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. On the settings page, under general tap on accounts. Now you have to select Google at the top of the screen. Here, you need to select your Google account and tap on remove account which is at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you select the correct email account that you want to delete in Outlook Mobile. Once you tap on remove account, this box will appear where you can choose whether you want to remove from this device or remove from all mobile devices. Once you have selected, you can click on remove button and easily delete email account in Outlook Mobile. So this will log out from your Outlook account, and if you have another email account, you can enter it and you can log into your another Outlook account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.